Hello everyone, this is Marlon, and I'll be showing you how to use the RTVF14 hour sheet that I made to organize all your hours. Starting off, make sure you pick the amount of hours that you have to do right down here. We have an option for 50 or for 80 hours. To show you an example of the main table, I'm going to make up a position that we crewed. Let's say we were a camera operator for Thursday Night Live on March 3rd, 6:30 p.m. and we crewed for 3 hours. So here we do camera 3, and for show, we click the arrow to show the drop down menu. As you can see here, we have all the main heat shows and some extra things over here as well. DNL, date and time, March 4th, 6:30 p.m. Hit enter, and we worked for 3 hours. Now, as you can see, the chart automatically logs it. It shows the total hours you've done and how many are remaining, and a neat little progress bar just to have a nice visual way to track your hours. And down here, you're going to have the specific hour table. So as you know, there's a limit to the amount of hours you can do for a specific show. So this table is a very nice way to make sure you don't pass that limit. And later on, once you write your hours on a piece of paper and submit it to the office, you can go up here and click submitted on a check mark. Now let's say that, oh, for some reason you got a penalty. Oh no, in the drop down menu, you can have the penalty option. You can write down the reason why, and you don't really have to put a date and time, and then put the amount of hours that were deducted from you. Let's say 2. As you can see, it automatically deduct it. And down here is a penalty bar. Now, let's say that there's a certain show that's not on this list that you want to keep hours for. To do that, we first go to production list. And you can see we have plenty of options to fill here. Now, let's say there's a show called Randy's Ranch. And once you add your new show, you want to come back to the table, hit the drop down menu, and there it is, your new show. Now, you want to make sure that you put it also on specific hours. That way you can keep that nice and tracked. And any hours you put there will show up on specific hours as well. We don't want all the new shows that we add to be the same color. In order to fix that, we go here to data validation, and it'll be the first one here that says value contains one from range. Click that, and as you can see, here are all the heat show classes. And with your new one down here, you can just click here and add whatever color you want. Since it's Randy's Ranch, we're gonna make it a nice deep green. And there you go. That's how you use this table to log all your 50 or 80 hours. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on Instagram, or you can type it down in the comments.